Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Menegas. It's a hell of a warm day. It's just, mid-May 2025 here in Fort Worth, Texas. Of course, as you very well know in Texas, this is just the start of the summer. As we progress, it's going to progress from the 90s to the hundreds, 110 degrees. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic Texas DFW weather. In this edition of my channel, RV and Travel Adventures, I'm going to be doing the third installment of my ETENWOLF, actually the fourth installment. First was an unboxing. Second was I inflated a basketball. Second, I inflated my truck tires. And this is the third one. I'm going to be inflating my travel trailer. And my travel trailer requires 65 psi. My truck only 35 psi, and of course that ball, not many psi. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you as compared to the options available. Instead of using my pump, this is a lot of work. Just pressing a button with my ETENWOLF makes a world of difference, especially for old guys like me. So let's get started. I'm going to lower the air just a little bit just to make sure. I already inflated all four tires just a little while ago, but I just wanted to show you how it works. So I'm going to deflate it a little bit just by pressing this one little valve here. There we are. So it's down to 59. It says right down here 59.8, and it's going to inflate it to 65.1. All I have to do is press this button. And again, I move this little knob here to adjust the inflation rate. I can have it at 66, 65.8, 63.2, but I want it at right there at 65 right on the dot. And of course, this is the mode dial to select from car, truck, inflatable toy, basketball, baseball, football, whatever sport you like, etc., etc. It's all right there. So all I have to do now is press this little button, and it'll go from 60.6 to 65. So you have plenty of power in reserve here. This battery, I estimate, in my humble estimation, you can do 10 RV tires and go up to 65 psi from about 50 psi without any issues. Let me take this off, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments. What do you think of this unit, the ETENWOLF air compressor? It's a very nice air compressor, in fact. And I'll leave links in the description in case you want to get your own ETENWOLF air compressor. This has a lot of features a lot of the other air compressors don't have. Hope you enjoyed this video from Fort Worth, Texas. This is my Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S. Hope you enjoyed this video. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.